Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a massive Excel file with 1 million rows. For this tutorial, I'll be using a demo custom CSV file that you can download from GitHub. Check the video description for the link. First thing first, I have already set up two directories, one for the source and one for the target file. Now, let's create new transformation. I will call it 1 million records example. Since there is nothing to validate, I'll delete the validate object. Setting up reader parameters. So the connection name is source. Selecting the file. Reformatting the grid. Setting field names. Setting writer parameters. Connection type is Excel file. Connection name is target. Creating new file. Result. Selecting the file. Now what we need to do, we need to make sure that writer field names do match the reader field names. We can add the fields manually just by editing the grid. Or there is an easy option. We can just copy the fields definition from source to target. All done. Now we are ready to do the mapping. Again, we can use drag and drop and map the fields manually. Or we can use much more easy option called auto map. Just click mark now. Okay, all done. Here we can see the data flowing nicely. Clicking OK. And we are now ready to start creating our 1 million rows Excel file. All we need to do is just press the run button and wait. Since we're working with such a large file, it will take approximately 2 minutes to complete. Meantime, let me talk about how our software works with Excel. When creating new Excel file, our software creates Excel file in memory. Once transformation is completed, the file from memory is written to the disk. That might take, depending on the file size, a couple of minutes. XLSX file is actually a zip file with a lot of XML files inside. You can see it yourself. All you need to do, just change the extension to zip and open it in browser, and you'll see it. Advanced ETL Processor can convert incredibly complex data into much more simple format. This can be also automated in multiple ways. If you want us to assist you with transforming the data, please post your questions or suggestions on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. You'll find the link in the description. Now I will put the video on pause and I will come back once transformation is completed. Alright, I'm back. The transformation is complete. Let me check the target Excel file. Just click close and close. It's taking time to load Excel file because it's very big. But still should be able to see it. Yeah, here it is. And we can actually open it in Excel. It's loading it now. It's taking a very long time. Okay, here it is. Let me just confirm that we actually have a million rows. Scroll to the end. Yeah, these are million rows. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. If you like it, please consider this video thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.